Hi there, I'm Mark Hix. This is Luke Vardy from Plymouth Gin. We're on the reopened Drake's Island. Started some off with some of the bladder wrack seaweed, which is right behind us, and cooking them very, very naturally on the open fire. The seaweed's going to give it a lovely, natural sort of saltiness. And I've literally put nothing on there apart from a little bit of salt and pepper. And once the seaweed goes crispy, we can actually eat the seaweed as well. So what are we going to drink with this?
So we're going to make a Tom Collins.
Who was Tom Collins then?
Oh.
Was he a mate of yours?
Yeah, one of Thomas Coates' best friends. So what we've done here is we've got Plymouth Gin's finest gin, the original recipe, and then we've partnered it with some fresh lemon juice. We're adding a touch of sugar just to balance it out. Then I'm going to shake it to give it a slight dilution. Pour it into the glass. We're using these beautiful glug jugs. Then we're going to top it up with soda.
And I've done another one here wrapped in some vine leaves from my garden. So they're pretty much done. These will be a few minutes. Now what I've done here, I've made a green tomato relish.
Yeah.
So green tomatoes, they're obviously a little bit tart.
Are these from your garden as well?
Yeah, so both the tomatoes and the squash. This is
nice.
Crown Prince squash, which I'm probably going to do with the vine leaf ones.
Yeah.
Some of the tomato.
In this heat, there's nothing better than a nice citrusy drink.
So these ones I'm just going to, you know, you can take that off. So this is going to go with the squash. I'm ready.
There we are.
If you're ready.
Tell how fresh the fish is. Paired so well with the Tom Collins.
Delicious.
Cheers.